was definitely not in the best of spirits just after his injuries.
A double murder suspect's mom takes the stand on the final day of testimony, talking about his mental state.
At this time tomorrow, the jury will be likely deliberating the fate of Javonte Higgins.
He's accused of gunning down David and Vivian Bauman in their Kentwood home more than a year ago.
24-hour News 8's Leon Hendricks has been tweeting every key moment since this trial started. Leon's live now in Grand Rapids with what unfolded this afternoon.
Well, Brian and Sue, testimony wrapped much sooner than was originally expected. Just 3 days of testimony and evidence that the jury will be deliberating in less than 24 hours.
The whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Early today, a witness many have been waiting to hear from, perhaps one of the people who knows Javonte Higgins the best, his mother.
Javonte has always brought much laughter and fun and joy into our world.
She says she last saw Higgins the day before the murders and that Higgins was with her. They were in the midst of a disagreement when he got out of the car and took off. She says he struggled after he was injured and that they were having a spat.
Progressively from the time he was released, I think that injury was, it was significant. Not just the physical part of it, but I think emotionally it was a pretty big blow for him as well. He's a young man, a young, fit man, and so that was going to set him back a little bit.
But it was this witness that the defense says prejudiced the jury beyond repair by mentioning twice that Higgins had been to prison. Higgins' attorney called for a mistrial.
But I think in a murder case, especially with the type of press this case has had, I believe that this is not a situation that can be cured by this court, and I believe my client has now been prejudiced.
Higgins' only defense witness was the lead investigator. His attorney pressed her on the 2 different footprint patterns that were found in the snow after the murders. She also asked about other potential suspects that were considered in the case, how they were eliminated, and clearly worked to raise the possibility that someone else, not Javonte Higgins, was the killer.
No, defense rests.
So tomorrow afternoon, closing arguments start at 1:30. Then the case goes to the hands of the jury. We will, of course, continue to cover it every step of the way for you at woodtv.com. Reporting live in downtown Grand Rapids, Leon Hendricks, 24-hour News 8.